welcome back to over Sandbox. Today I'm making a solar system. Well, at first I might add a sun. Won't be terraforming the sun today. Well, next I'm going to add a habitable zone. The habitable zone is where I should put where I could have an idea where to put my planet. So we're going to go all the way out. You can see it. Tools, add random rocky planet. The lesson and IU. Yeah, like sound of that too. First up, make it very small. A little too big, maybe about one. Yeah, I like the sound of this. Now I might make. Why is it? Well, I'm making it a little hotter. You like.
Yeah!
I've been a little too Yeah, I like the sound of that. Okay, on to the next planet, which is Venus. I'm not gonna tell you. There. Oh, yeah, I might. That's add random rocket. You know, rocket. You know, rocket planet. You know, rocket. So water planet. I might stop. Like that looks maybe a little higher. Yeah, I like this one. No, maybe about when I see. Too big, too small. No water. Yeah, I'm not turning water down. It doesn't need enough. I could just make this hotter. So. Nine hundred and yes, no, that's supposed to. Oh, well, that's. So goodbye.